Hi. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day today. We're getting straight into it. So basically right now, let me picture you right now. You who's watching this. You're sitting probably at home, or at least a home that's not a public place. Probably while you're sleeping in bed, making dinner, making a snack, eating a snack. You're thinking, college, school, high school is online. Even if you're in spring break right now, you're probably gonna have to start some sort of online schooling or work pretty soon based on the situation right now. Basically, I was like, you know what would be a good video for all y'all to watch while you're sitting at home is online school tips. And the reason I'm doing this is because I did online school the entire summer. I took 6 classes, 2 semesters of AP Biology, 2 semesters of AP Calculus, a computer science class, and a photography class. I did that all online, and basically the reason I did that is I wanted to finish my high school classes early, so then the second semester of my senior year I could take college classes at a college. But you know what, that's clearly not happening right now because quarantine! Basically every single day during the summer I spent like 5-ish hours doing school, and here's how I did it, and here are my tips and lessons that I've learned. I'm trying to make this applicable to everyone, like whether you're working from home, college at home, school at home, just whatever. Sorry, that was kind of a long intro, but I feel like it was necessary. Also, this is kind of a more serious video than what I normally do, so deal with it. So the first category of tips that I have are tips for focus, because that's, I think, is the biggest con of working at home, is distractions are a lot more distracting. So the first tip is to find a place to work, like a desk, and only do work there. Don't try to watch lectures in bed. Don't be meeting with a teacher in bed. Just don't do it in bed. Do your work in one spot. Classically condition yourself so your desk is associated with productivity. And then if you take a break, don't even take a 5-minute break at your desk. Don't pick up your phone while you're at your desk. Sit on the floor and scroll through Instagram. The next thing is, I'm just gonna use the word desk, but it means workspace. Remove all distractions from your desk, whether it's a clicky pen that's fun, whether it's a fidget spinner you bought in 2016. Remove that, only put the essentials on your desk that you need, because then you just won't be distracted even by the littlest things. So the next tip is healthy breaks. Healthy breaks are super important just so you don't lose it, but then breaks at home are also more distracting than breaks at the library. I don't really know what that is, maybe because it's your own house and it's a lot easier to pull out, I don't know, Netflix at your own home than it is at the library. So for a break, do something that will benefit you in the long run. I don't know, do 20 push-ups, do 20 sit-ups, go run downstairs and run back up the stairs, go make a smoothie, go drink some water. Healthy breaks is the key. And then another thing is, because obviously you're probably gonna be doing all this on a desktop or a laptop, is if you have a MacBook, add 2 desktops on your computers and save one desktop only for work, and then the other desktop can be used for I don't know, playing Webkins. But just make sure that one desktop is only for school stuff, so then you're just not, getting distracted by the internet. Another thing for focus, do not start a new TV show. Do not. It's fine for a break if you want to watch an old funny TV show, but don't start a new TV show because binge watching, not good. Another thing is, in this quarantine era, this work from home era, how to not lose your mind tips. So basically, if you're on your own schedule, say your teacher is here are this week's lectures, and then sends you 5 videos of the lectures that you're supposed to watch by Friday, and it's Monday, then block out a time in your day each day to do the lectures, so then you kind of build a routine, because that's really important. So basically over the summer when I was doing all of my stuff, my school routine is I would block out from 7:30ish to 11:30ish just for schoolwork. Another thing is, if you have to complete 10 tasks by Friday and you have 5 days to do it, make a to-do list, obviously, but then make a time to-do list. So basically you'll say to yourself, for 50 minutes every day, I'm gonna read the book or whatever. And that is good, because then you're not putting pressure on yourself. Then basically, if you're gonna be at home, just for scheduling in general, try to do all of your stuff at a certain time each day, and then if you can, save the weekends for more chillaxing time. And then while you're sitting at a desk, because probably you're going to be sitting at a desk for a long time, especially at your house too, stand up occasionally or else
your bone's gonna be hurting.
And also don't spend too much time on one task. It's better to do a little bit of everything each day than to like do 7 hours of science on Monday, 7 hours of history on Tuesday. Instead, spend those 7 hours doing 1 hour of each subject, because then your mind won't be exploding full of, I don't know, the periodic table. Also, if you have access to it, natural light is so good for you. I know everyone says that, but like it really makes a difference if you can sit in a room with natural light versus a room where it's just dark and lonely. And also, on the bright side about this whole working from home thing, you don't have to allocate time to driving to school or to work each day, because if you have to do that during rush hour, you might be losing like an hour of your day each time that you would be spending in the car, but now you have it at home. Are you gonna use that time for actual productivity? You tell me, but you could. Another thing for just like, not losing it is try new hobbies when you have like break time on the weekends stuff, because when else are you gonna learn how to like crochet? Get better at Wii bowling. Play Wii boxing. You're never gonna have time for that, so why not take advantage of it now? Then here's some other tips that I think are very important. Dress like you're going to school. So basically don't wear your pajamas and sit in your pajamas all day, because that's not good and your brain is just gonna be like, oh, I'm wearing pajamas, time to go to bed. But then you also don't have to wear a ball gown, just unless you want to wear a ball gown, but just wear something that you would normally kind of wear to school. Just no pajamas. Also, if your laptop or iPad or iPhone or Android or Samsung or other things, PC, has like a night shift, which alters the color of the screen, use that, because there's a lot less blue light, and when you're staring at a screen, your eyes aren't gonna cramp as much if you have the blue light filter thing reduced. Another thing is, which I don't really do enough, but I should, is email your teachers for clarification, because a lot can get lost in translation when it's posted online versus when the teacher is telling you something in class. So just ask for clarification if you're confused. And then finally, last tip, wash your hands. Well, that's all I have for tips. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope these helped you. Sorry, this video was a little bit more normal and a little bit more less crazy than my normal videos. So subscribe if you want to hear some more videos like this, because maybe I'll make them. But thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below anything you want to. Comment down below your favorite fruit, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.